Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, do not forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video if you find this informational or helpful. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, finance, money, travel, and everything in between, then make sure that you tell the subscribe button and the notification bell to stop fighting each other, because after all, they're best friends and you should never fight over a girl. In this episode, we're going to have a little bit of fun. So if you'll recall earlier on the channel, I did a comparison of the Amex Rose Gold to the Amex Gold card, and that'll be down in the description below. The reason I put that together was because there are people like me out there that wonder which one looks better. In fact, I had this recent comment on that particular video, and I'm going to read it verbatim. This comes from Roger That. He says, "No offense, but I'm embarrassed that I was wondering exactly this and watched this video more closely than I should have." Don't be embarrassed, Roger That, because in this video, we are going to look at the new design of the Chase Sapphire Preferred card versus the old design. And we'll be able to do a real-life comparison because I already have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. However, I want to know what's out there. I couldn't wait anymore. I wanted to have this new design in my hands immediately. And today, you are going to reap the rewards of that because you're going to get a real-life comparison of these two cards and let me know which one you think looks better. We're going to keep it pretty simple. Now, I've already put out a video discussing the new features of the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, but just to hit them really quickly, you'll get 5 times points when booking travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times on dining, including select delivery services, 3 times points on select streaming, 3 times on online groceries. That excludes Target, Walmart, and your Costco and Sam's Club because they code differently. You also get a $50 hotel credit each year, and that can be used across any hotel chain. It does not matter. You'll also get a 10% anniversary bonus whenever you renew your card. So if you spend $10,000 and you get 10% back, you'll get that back in points. So that would be 1,000 points that you'll get in your Chase Ultimate Rewards. And one thing that isn't changing with the new card is that you'll still have the same welcome offer that you have with the old design card, and that is you can earn 100,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards with a $4,000 spend in 3 months. If you were ever thinking about getting the Sapphire Preferred card, what are you waiting on?
What are you waiting for, huh?
Now is the time to do it. Between these new benefits and the sign-up bonus, get on it. And if you're familiar with the channel, you know that this is one of the first cards, if not the first card, that we recommend that you get when you're starting out in your points and miles journey. But probably the biggest feature of all is there's a new credit card design, and that's what you are here for. We're going to get down to business here, unbox this card, have a little fashion show, I guess, and you let me know which one you like better, the new card or the old card. We're going to have fun with this one. With all that said, let's get down to the unboxing. All right, this is my favorite part of the show where I get to actually unbox the card, and I think my delivery person should be coming any minute now, if I'm not mistaken. Jeez, that sounds like a really heavy knock.
Delivery for Brandon Boyd.
Definitely don't recognize that voice. Is there some sort of strange person delivering today? I don't know. We're going to see what happens. Please be an envelope. Whew. That was weird. Did you hear that voice? Did you see that hand? Somebody's taking the place of my mail delivery person. I'm a little nervous. This may be the last unboxing I do. I don't know if I want this person coming back. All right, so I've got the envelope here. It looks like it's already been opened, actually. And you know what? I was so impatient to get this replacement Chase Sapphire card that I actually just asked them if I could get it sent next day, and they said, yeah. So who am I to stop them from doing that? So I've got a next day envelope here, which is awesome. The big outside envelope, the UPS envelope, has already been open. Now this one comes in an envelope, so no big fanfare here. You'll know that I just unboxed a American Express Business Platinum card recently that came in a really fancy box and had all this really cool stuff inside. You're not going to get that with this one, but it's a $95 annual fee card, and it's a replacement card for Pete's sake, so who cares? All right, let's get rid of the envelope. Who cares about that? Shipping returns. What on God's green earth is this for? Shipping returns. Please what is this for? Oh, return my outdated card. They want me to return my old card. Not gonna happen. I got an unboxing video to do, and I've got to compare it to the old card, so how can I get rid of it? Not gonna happen. Flip this baby over. Huh. Very interesting. All right, so as I'm looking at this right off the bat, you know, these little blue lines, when you look at them online, they really stand out quite a bit more than they do under these studio lights. You know, they look almost like a neon blue color, right? Which looks really cool online, but I'm not really seeing that under the studio lights. I think what I'm going to have to do, we're going to have to take this outside in the sunlight and do a direct comparison with the old card, and let me know once we do this fashion contest between the Chase Sapphire cards, which one do you like better? And are you going to be compelled like me to the point where if you have a Chase Sapphire card already that you go ahead and just switch it out for the new design? Let me know down in the comments, but let's get this fashion show underway and you tell me which one looks better. Let's just keep it simple. We'll tally up the votes and the winner will get nothing. And just looking at this card initially, it looks like a much deeper, darker blue color in the background to allow those bright lines to shine through, especially when compared to the old preferred card. You can see the old preferred card has a much more royal blue color as compared to the new one. And looking at the bright blue lines that are on this, they really pop off that darker color, and you can see them again compared here. So I'm going to get some items from around the house to really get an idea for what kind of blue these cards really are. So first things first, I'm going to get one of my Kentucky t-shirts to see if it's Kentucky blue. It looks like the original Sapphire preferred card has a much more Kentucky blue color, but I'm still not satisfied. I want to know what color those lines are on the new card. What do they compare to? So I'm going to rummage through my wife's stuff here. It looks like, is it a Tiffany blue color? No, the Tiffany blue is more greenish. I'm going to rummage through my wife's closet a little bit more and look for a shirt. This is a Lily Pulitzer shirt or blouse. I don't know the difference, to be honest with you, but you can see that blue line kind of matches the blue that's in the pattern on this top. We'll call it a top. How about that? But it's kind of a brighter shade of blue. It's not an aquamarine or anything like that or a Tiffany blue. It kind of matches the lighter blue that is on this top. Please don't tell my wife that I got this out of her closet and put it on the driveway. It'll just be our little secret. So that's it for the direct comparison of the cards. Let me know down in the comments, do you think the new design of the Chase Sapphire Preferred is good? Bad? Do you like the old design better? Let me know. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's just personal opinion. And again, I know these videos can seem kind of silly when you're just comparing the looks of two cards. Who cares about the looks of the cards, right? We want the function of the cards. Well, if it's important to you, then this video is for you. I like to have the newest shiny toy in my wallet at all times, so for me, it was a pretty big deal. I was excited to get it in the mail, but if you're not excited, let us know down in the comments too. That's perfectly fine. And if you enjoyed this video, you found it entertaining or helpful, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, 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 it's going to be time to check out on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, finance, money, credit card fashion shows, and everything in between, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you soon.